Yeah, so this actually is a challenge where we are to vote on a new New Zealand flag out of one of these four. I don't know if these are the four that are in the finals, but these are the four that we've been provided.
Can we put it on the screen?
Yeah. Top right.
It looks. Hang on. Wait till it comes up.
Because I know exactly what you're going to say about it.
I think I might have the same thing.
Okay. Do we want to express it in sound?
No. Once if we can get what's on the screen currently, just cut to that. Show it on the monitor. It doesn't have to be PMP.
Someday.
Just toss it in there.
Catch.
Okay.
Yeah.
The upper right hand.
Jeez.
It looks like
MLG. Yes. MLG Australia.
I'm going to assume they are the four finalists, but I don't.
lower
I can't
left
say
is
for sure.
pretty good.
I know that there's a fifth design that's like a write-in design that a lot of people really like, but it's not one of those, I don't think.
I'm not partial to the swirl, but I think it looks cool.
It looks really cool, but not for like an actual country that's not in a fantasy novel.
Yeah.
The upper left looks like a stationary letterhead.
Yep.
You know, like for a company that does paper.
It's really good if you wanted to fax the flag of New Zealand.
Yeah.
See, go ahead.
When they had the top 50 design, there were a bunch of the ones with swirls that were like multicolored ones that I thought were pretty decent, and I never liked the ones with the feather wreath.
Like with the fern.
The fern and kiwi feather thing.
And red, white, and blue is kind of overdone.
Yeah.
But like it really screams MLG.
Oh, it does.
Honestly,
Absolutely
it
does.
really looks like
Those
MLG.
I am actually partial to the upper left.
Yeah,
one.
see, there's the kiwi one.
The kiwi shooting lasers.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
That was not the
Ship
write-in
it.
one I was speaking of.
Out of
but-
all of
They
them,
used to have like 20 of them, and I think there were several of those that were better than these.
yeah, I am actually partial to the one in the upper left because the only other group that flies a black and white flag right now is ISIS. So I'm kind of like, I actually would like to see a black and white flag that's kind of pretty.
I'm pretty sure there's other black and white flags.
Not bad.
Well, that's kind of their whole
Terrible.
shtick, though, right? Like,
But I mean, okay, but
Nope.
anyway,
I'm just,
it's fine. I'm more partial to the one upper left. I think it's actually pretty
yes.
cool. That's a super good.
That is cool.